It's like last time all over again.
What?
Back to
I need
town.
to go back.
Clearance, this is a reg season. I'm not going to play my hardcore character till tonight.
I've
So.
become stronger.
Thank you for coming. There are many.
He's real good. Real good.
I'm so cool.
Where should we go to now?
Give me
I
1 second.
haven't heard from the
Alright.
Herondrum we sent to the Scovos Isles.
Scovos is a dangerous land.
Alright, Clearance, sounds
Think
good, man.
that any more of our order could come to harm.
All of us know the risks, Tyrion, but we believe in the New Horizons.
I'll be back in like 10-15 minutes.
That's fine.
Okay. This thing would roll cooldown, please. Oh, great. I've actually got to go eat, so I'll be back.
Alright, man. Oh, you thought you were level 39? What level are you, What level are you right now, Clearance? Oh, is that like 29? Damn. I'm sorry, Clearance. Oh, well, hopefully everything will... You'll be able to catch up soon? I don't know. Maybe? Luckily, I can change my spec and everything as I go along, so that's always fun.
No, I will not do that.
Got some new goods. Better buy them before someone else does. Demons and dead everywhere. Makes for great business. I love the feel of discovering some precious item, buried for years. Exquisite.
So how's everybody's Saturday going? I didn't think about what day of the week it was. How's everybody's Saturday going so far? Hopefully it's going well. And if you're stuck at work, I'm sorry. But you get to hang out with us.
Are you talking to us or are you streaming?
Streaming, Andrew.
Okay.
Yeah. Streaming, Andrew. I say again, Arsico. I'm streaming, honey. D&D canceled and kind of happy. I don't know. How come it was canceled, man? Just no one really wanted to play tonight, or? Why do I keep doing that?
Didn't care for it. Too much pain, not enough profit.
Andrew. Oh. That sucks. I'm sorry about that, Clearance. Right now I'm just waiting in town, waiting for everybody. Yeah, I still need to get flying in WoW or Draenor, but I really have no desire to really play it right now. Maybe to do mount runs every now and then, but other than that, meh. Well, as long as you're okay. Yeah, it doesn't pay to fly anymore. You got to do all that grinding in Tanan Jungle and do other stuff too. Grinding up those reps in Tanan Jungle is a pain in the ass, but at least there's there's different groups you can join in and stuff, which is always fun. Yeah, I don't think they've officially announced when it's coming out yet, but with it basically is coming around the corner and announcing it so soon. I don't know. I just don't know. Yeah, well, I think when, what is it? BlizzCon happens, which I think is next weekend, we should know, hopefully they'll announce the date. I know Ashler's is going to be there, and hopefully we'll know what's going on. But yeah, I mean, once Legion is announced, I'm going to try and pre-order it as fast as I can, because I know I'll be back for that expansion, but other than that, I'm going to probably just wait to finish up stuff in Draenor.
I can't do that. But how far are you in Metal Gear, Andrew?